Hello people, right, earlier I tweeted about some big moves today. Yesterday was ranging, stupendous moves today, and I wanted to get this reversal, and I didn't get it because I got distracted, phone calls, and then a friend popped round to drop something off for me, and but I still thought it was worth bringing this one up because at no point here was the reversal, but once the price started to show red, if you can hear that snoring, that's my dog snoring next to me. Apologies for that. So basically we could see it hit a 50 level up here, massive move over and above the 5-day average. So literally as it's going up, all you need to do is draw some levels on here. Apologies for these old levels, they're from something else I was doing, I think, but so let's clear these down and blow it up a bit. So there's the high on this 15-minute chart, and you can clearly see you wouldn't be messing around looking at it for a reversal here. It's overstretched, the rubber band effect on the hourly 8 EMA. So just keep drawing your levels as the price is pushing up, and once the high of this this level is broken, that then becomes your penultimate low. Once the high of this one is broken, you delete that one. Excuse me. Oh, why is it not highlighting? There. And you put a new one on there, the next level up. And if the high of that one got broken, then you do the same, delete that, and that would be your reversal candle. Okay, so that's just how you plan a reversal trade. At the end of the day, I mean, to me it couldn't be easier, and it's solid. All you've got to find is something that is overextended, then you keep going up with your reversal levels. And you know, you don't have to just wait for the 15. You can do it on the 5, because notice all the way up it shouldn't have even been on your radar at this point, because it wasn't at the it hadn't overextended itself. But once it starts to push up, you'll notice there's no 5-minute reversals here. So you've got your 15 minutes set up, and then you just keep moving the same way with your 5 minutes. So you'd start on this one, and once the high of that was broken, then this one, and once the high of that is broken, then that becomes your reversal level, and so on and so forth. Finally you get up to these levels here. Just double check that because it's behind. Yeah, these two really are inside bars, but you'd still want to be looking at them. If the high is broken, I mean, they're inside this bar, the high, they didn't break the high, but then you can start to see the reversal. Well, this was an absolute gimme from the point of view of off of that level. So you've got belt and braces in terms of why would you think it might reverse. So you've also now got your target level if you were considering entering this 5-minute reversal here. Excuse me. Need to double check this did close at some stage below this level, so the open of that candle would still would treat as a breakdown if it was lower than the green line. 6404, 6409, so no, it wasn't. Finally we got the breakdown here. Close was 6395. That then would you'd expect to see some sort of a pullback. Go down to the 1 minute, and watch what happens to price, and then you can start watching your histo alert as well. And as you can see, we've even got an H1, an M1 rather, histo alert break and close. So you know, you wouldn't have been involved in this one here, the bust out, the break and close of that low there, because it hadn't broken and closed through the line. The minute it did, then you're looking for entries, then you've got your bust down here, you've got your pullback, you've got your break and close below, and look, there's no drawdown whatsoever after a potential entry there. You've also got a reversal to the downside, low, high, high, low, high, high, with this all of this lot, and then finally this close here, which again, as I say many times, corresponds with your break and close. And there's your potential trade there, down to test the 15-minute. It's got to get through the 15-minute in order to continue on down. As you can see, it's broken down through the 15, pulled back, hit the round number, and we've probably got some sort of break and close going on here as well. In fact, we did that. In fact, that's the proper break and close, what I'd consider a break and close. That's the bust, that's the pullback, the green candle, that's the break and close again, down to the R, what is that? Why isn't that showing up as the support? It should be. Oh, so it's, hang on, do apologise, why is it not showing up for me? That's the R1, or that's one of the resistance levels. It's not showing for some reason. That's really weird. Anyway, it's a resistance level from the pivots on the way up. That one's not even showing either. How weird. So anyway, it's been used, the pivots are on the charts, it's been used as a target level yet again, and then the price has continued on through. So plenty of ways to trade this. There was a perfectly good 20 pip move there. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Sorry, I'm a bit bunged up this evening, I don't know what's wrong. So yeah, the 5-minute, that was the entry on the 15, and on the 1 minute, 22 pips from there to there, or thereabouts. Then, as you can see, it's continued on down with a break and close on, even on this time frame, all the way down. And all you do is just keep drawing your levels. So the 15, the entry from the 5 to the 15, and then you just put your 30-minute level on there to see where you could go from the 15 down. The 30-minute reversal. Need to do this precisely. Sorry, I've not. You can tell I've not studied this beforehand. Cherry pick the chart. That's what I mean. The high of that one is 537. The high of that one is 525. So 537 is the high. That's your 30-minute low there. And then while we're there, we do the H1 low as well. The H1 low is this here. All these reversal levels. This is the H1. We need to trend low, high, higher, low, higher, high. High, low, lower, high, lower, low, and close below there. So we're just having a pull back after the 30-minute break, and also that those resistance levels. Oh, that's better. We've got R2 and R3. R3, of course it is. So there we go, guys. That was a perfectly good opportunity there for a reversal. That's how I would have traded it, not necessarily the break of the 5-minute, although I would have been watching it had I not been disturbed, and then trade it to the 15-minute, and then you've got the gap to the 30-minute just down here as well from the 15, and that was a perfectly good. Can't believe I've missed all these. It's so annoying. Put another 30 pips. So that's the reversal, guys. That's what you wait for, and that's how straightforward it is. Just drawing your levels, waiting for something. So the minute it got above the 186, you get into the 200 mark, whatever, you start to draw your levels on there, and you won't get faked in to a trade because they are so rare, especially on these trending days. That's the whole point of that. That is the process, guys. Any questions, please ask. Make sure you watch a ton of videos before, though, because I don't want to be answering straightforward questions that you should have known if you'd watched some of these videos. So please do me the courtesy of doing that first. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great evening. It is now 7:20 in the evening, and I missed about 50 pips worth of potential trades there. That I had shouted about on here before anyway, called it, said there were some big moves, watch for the reversals, and that's how I would have traded it. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening.